Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. Was Grok able to predict the price of XRP and Cardano for the month of December? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we normally play this game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency, and then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. This time we decided to throw Grok into the mix because ChatGPT hasn't been doing too well recently. So let's see if Grok did any better. Since we're on this page, we will start with Cardano. And if we take a look at what Grok actually said, Cardano is normally more positive in December with 5 positive months, 3 negative months. But I don't care about the previous years, I just care about last month's December. Last year, I guess technically, because we're in January. What were the prices that they actually predicted? So let's take a look. And let's remember when we made this video, Cardano was sitting around 42 cents. So the bullish guess, 55 cents. The bearish guess, 38 cents. And then the standard guess, the official guess. This is the guess that Grok is actually going to get based off of. This is the one that matters. It was 46 cents. If we take a look and kind of see where everything ended up, we were around, 33 cents, I believe. We were sitting at just above 33 cents. So even if we take a look at the bearish guess, the range was 36 cents to 40 cents. This was a swing and a complete miss from Grok. It was unable to predict the price of Cardano for the month of December. All right, and now we have XRP, but with the XRP guess, Grok wanted to give us all the details, all the information, and it would have made for too long of a video, but when we made this video, it was sitting at around $2.02. If we take a look at the official guesses, Grok did say that majority of the time, XRP is more positive than negative, with an average return of around 35%, median return 6.5%. But let's get to the actual guesses. The bullish guess, we were looking at $2.20. The bearish guess, $1.90. And then we have the official guess, the guess that matters, the standard guess, which was around $2.08. If we take a look at the chart, we are going to come all the way over here to December 31st and see where we ended up. And we ended up around $1.82. So if we take a look back at the guesses, $1.82, it was kinda in that bearish range. So both ChatGPT and Grok were kind of able to land like the bearish scenario for XRP. Obviously, they didn't hit the official guess, so they were not right for the month of December. But if you wanted to give them a half point or give them like a little nudge because they were at least in the ballpark of the bearish scenario, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to do that. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, how do you think Grok did? And do you think we should keep Grok series going? It doesn't seem to be as popular as the ChatGPT one, but if you guys like it, we will keep them going. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.